Okay, so you see here, we have the natural hair. What I'm doing is adding Murray's Edge Wax. It's very tacky, so it keeps the hairs in place perfectly. So right now, we're going to just mold the hairs. We're going to comb them and control them. We want to comb them in the direction where our braid is going to start at. So right at the root and at the base, it could be as smooth as we can get it. Because remember, this is a knotless braid. Yep, go ahead and keep combing it. I don't care as many times as you need to comb it to get it as flat and as smooth as you need it. Do what you got to do. Okay, so once you get it where you want it, we're going to comb it one more time. Smooth it just a little bit. Now, you're going to separate the hair into 3 sections. Start to braid it like if you were doing a plait or a regular braid, okay? But we do want to make sure the base is nice and smooth. So you see me, I comb it just a little bit. Okay, we're going to have our hair already separated off to the side. We're going to grab one small piece of hair and add it to that section. You're going to continue braiding like you would any regular braid, but you're going to go around one full time, stop, add a little bit more. Okay, same thing. Braid it around like a normal braid. We're going to stop again. Going to make that full little cycle, make a full small braid there, add a little bit more hair. Now, it's very important to remember every section of hair, every piece of hair that you add to the braid, you want to make sure it's about the same size. Keep consistency. Now, if you look at the way I'm positioning my fingers and my thumb, it's to make sure that braid and the hairs that I'm adding all stay nice and uniformed. So I just added a little bit of curly hair on there and braided it around a couple times. Now we're going to pull that curly piece out. It's super easy. Like, you're going to see the piece of hair. So it's not like it's going to be a struggle to pull those out, okay? It may be easier to clip the curly hair once you pull it up top, or if it stays, that's cool too. And just keep braiding it down, you're good. See that?